y'all, so let's get into these beautiful raw bundles that I have. They're so pretty. Look at that. That's freshly washed, and I'm blow drying it. And the brush is just gliding right through, like no snags or nothing. And this is 4 bundles of 24, 22, 20, 18, and an 18-inch closure. And yeah, so this is how it looks: blow dried, curled, double drawn, full of bounce, full of body yaddy. You know what I'm saying? The fingers just gliding right through. Ooh. So yeah, check it out. Get at your girl.